already tried to record this video early on another phone, but it had to start over. But this one I'm on. I bought this thing. Price is crazy. Can you see that? Yeah. Insane. But I did it anyway. Seeing everybody else having fun. So I decided to start my own pack openings. Box breaks, whatever you want to call it. But here's a recap. I think I opened 2 packs, maybe 3. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I opened 2 packs already, I believe. I can't even find going through the wrappers. But this is what I got so far. I got T'Challa, Krakoa, Icarus, the Lizard, Wolverine, Hawkeye, Eve Warlock, Green Goblin, and the Banshee. These cards kind of dope. Then we got Shorty, I don't know her name, and Nebula. Ooh. Oh, she got the Infinity Gauntlet on? Yeah. Yeah, I remember she got a hold of it. Yeah, that was crazy. And we got this in the first pack. Spider-Man 2099. 61 out of 99. Alright, let's go. Right there. You go right there. That's my second number card ever in life. Alright. You open the Black Cats first, followed by Miles, and then Thor. Thor is my favorite Marvel character. I love opening packs. Alright, who we got? Lady Deathstrike. We got Shorty again from over here. Yeah. Fing Fang Foom. Power Man. Luke Cage. Nihilus. I like a Nihilus. And he in the I forget what you call these. Hollow refractor, whatever. And Spider Girl. Future Stars. Alright. Future Stars. Let me try to alright. Get this organization to happen. Alright, let's go. See what we can get. See. Oh, Silk. Got Destiny. I don't know who she is. Ronan. Get this Clint. Yeah, it is. Oh, Scarlet Witch. I like Scarlet Witch. She like one of my faves. We got a Gwen Stacy. So we got something good. Oh, another. Is that Mephisto? Oh, Mephisto. Oh, rainbow is she? Oh, it's another numbered card. 50 out of 75. Oh yeah. I rock with Mephisto. He's on Ironheart recently. Look at that. I got 2 number cards already. Box of Better gave me some $450, almost $500 when you add the tax. It's crazy. Go on here. I need some I got some hard covers cases. I gotta buy some more because I can't find the hard ones. Mephisto, at least I get the characters I like. I like Spider-Man 2099. And I like Mephisto. I really like Mephisto though, a lot. Alright, let's go with the Miles. Shorty gave me 2 numbers. We go with the Miles now. We start out the Prowler. Dagger. Yeah, Mysterio. American Chavez. Oh, I got another number card. What? Stop playing. Winter Soldier. What we get? Nova. What's that? 79 $2.99. That's cool, but I know who Nova is, but I never, I ain't really into Nova. Though he kind of hard, but I don't know hardly really nothing about it. These sleeves are kind of difficult. I don't want to mess with my cards up. Alright. Tomorrow I'm gonna hit the stove and grab some hard shells for these numbers. Look at that, I got 3 number cards already. The first couple packs. Winter Soldier, you could go over here. And y'all go over here. Look at that. This is so much fun. I ain't gonna lie, I like this. I might open all these packs today. My bad. I don't want to show the back because that's usually a hit. But Baron Zemo. I rock with him. We got I Am Groot. Mr. Vin Diesel. Who's this? Webhead. First appearance. Lockjaw. I like Lockjaw. Hey, is this another number hit? What? That's why this box costs so much. You got all the number hits up in here. What was it? Sunfire? Yeah, okay. And who we got here? The Maker. I'm a little bit familiar with the Maker. And this green and blue shimmery sparkly thingy. What's that? 1 out of 99. I only got 4 number cards. That's what's up. Shoot, keep them coming. At least I'm hold up. Sunfire and the base cards. At least I'm getting something. A little bit of something that's worth something. I know the number cards. People like the number cards. I do too, but Mouse. Alright. Let's see. We got Jubilee. A regular Mephisto. That's what's up. Like Mephisto. This Solaris. Vision. Oh, WandaVision. And I got another one. Hold up. They going crazy with me. I got the lizard and this ain't numbered. But I guess this means something since they gave me a colorful one and giant size. They probably kind of rare too, huh? You go over there. And it's Cyclops. I like Cyclops. So, do I sleeve the giant size? I don't know, but I will anyway, just cause. Hold up. Get in there. I should sleeve the little shorty right there too. Spider-Girl. These are some pack opening videos, so I got a lot more to go. I should have been doing this. Alright, this plastic kinda hard. Alright, let's go. The last mouse. Let's see what we got. Cloak, no dagger. Emma Frost, the White Queen. She looked just like she just real. I just took a picture of her. Valkyrie. We got Airsham, the Judge. Miss Danvers and the movie Hollow, right? I think those are hollows. I think that's what you call them. Alright, that's cool. I got 4 number cards though already. The lowest one is Mephisto, just 75. I won't want even lower though. So those are kind of high. But that's cool. They even got a price guide. I don't even know if they got a price guide. Alright, Thor. You know me, you know I like some Thor. Alright, we got Spidey. Mr. Sinister. Valerie Richards. Fantastic Four come out next week. The Vulture, Shang-Chi, and the She-Hulk. Alright. Okay, we got Cover Lady, Black Cat. Silver Surfer, the men version. This Mr. Fantastic, huh? It's fitting. This Iron Fist, yeah. And Gamora and icons, Iron Man icons. I thought these was in the blister packs only though. Maybe that's something else. Alright, okay. Gamora. I like Gamora and Iron Man. I don't know where he gonna go. He just go right here. Put these back right here. I like these cards though. I like how they feel. I thought it was gonna feel all flimsy and cheap. Top, she's doing a good job. And I can't find no blister boxes nowhere but them 2 I got right there. I've been searching high and low. Alright. We got Beast. Kate Bishop. Gorgon. I don't know what that is. Culling Winged. Oh, Legion. I like Legion. I like Legion and Marvel Snap. I just love using them. That's crazy. I ain't played Marvel Snap in a minute. And Spider-Man. This ain't numbered though. It's just New Avengers 20 years. Okay. I can dig it. People love Spider-Man. I like Spider-Man. I'm not the biggest fan. I do like some Spider-Man. Alright, last pack. Dang, I can't believe. I tried to use my GoPro in the beginning and I couldn't, and it died on me. The battery died. And I just changed the battery. That's crazy. I'm just going to use the cell phone forever now. Unless I get a new GoPro. Colossus. What we got? Miss Nebula. New version. Miss Marvel. Sabretooth. We got Shuri. And the last card. Thor. I rock with it. 'Cause y'all know I like Thor. Which is fitting. Last card be Thor. It's an icon. Along with Iron Man. We got that Spider-Man. Okay. Alright. So, let's go over what I just did. We got 4 number cards. Got two icons. Thor and Tony. This is all whatever. We got this Spider-Man New Avenger card. That's cool. We got all of these. I need one of them mats too. We got all of these. Yeah, Legion, She-Hulk, Sunfire, Bucky, Gwen Stacy, and Nebula. We got Spider Girl, Future Stars. It's the Giant X-Men. And for the hollows, we got Gamora, Wolverine, the Lizard, Annihilus, and Shorty. I don't know her name. Alright, that was dope. That was fun. My first card opening, pack opening box, $400 something for this. Probably got about $50 worth of value out of it, which I just threw $400 away with. It's all good because I like doing this. Alright, to the next video, which I will post in a couple of days. Peace.